Hey guys, what's up? My name is Mike. I'm going to show you if the side pieces on a DIY platform, deadlift platform, will move. So I'm going to get straight to the point here. Alright, so the first point I wanted to make was that you can easily move the sides as long as you push it or move it in any sort of way, easily, with your hand. If you are curious as to stop that from happening, you can always place like an extra weight or an extra plate on the side of it to keep it from moving, because eventually it will move depending on what you're doing. If you're doing Olympic lifts or just straight up deadlifts, I mean, whatever you want to do. I've used it for Olympic lifting and all sorts of different stuff, but I've had the pieces move on me, and if you want to keep that from happening, just put weights on the sides. So yeah, in this clip I wanted to show you 135 pounds, what it looks like. As you can see, it doesn't even move, not one bit. This next one is 225. As you can see, again, it doesn't really move at all. But it depends on how aggressive you are with your weight handling. This next clip I've got 315, and once again, still nothing. Still durable. I've done many deadlift sets on this, and it does not move. And then I worked up to 405 for this video, and it still will not move. I'll just tell you that these things only move if you put on weight or correct the weight, because sometimes they'll slip off the bar a little bit, and if you just push it back and forth, because the other side will open up a little bit, will open up a gap a little bit between it. So that's all I have. I just want to let you guys see this for yourselves, and hopefully you have a great day.